on waking up this morning. Hey boo hey. If you're new here, babes, welcome. We love to have you here. So on the channel, we do fashion, we do beauty, we do lifestyle, we cook, we do food reviews, babes. We do it all here, okay? All here. But yeah, so today's video is gonna be a day in my life video. My little sister is moving out. She's feeling grown these days, so she went ahead and got herself an apartment, she and her roommate. So she's been moving out all week, but today she just has to she's gonna take that. I'm letting her take that, and then her bed. So I'm about to have a lot of filming space, so y'all about to get all these videos, all of them, and a room decor video. Like, y'all about to get content, so you might as well just subscribe, because honestly, we love a content creator that's consistent over here, and we do try to do that. So if you're looking for a new channel to watch, baby, I got you. But yeah, so today's video is a day in my life video. It is Saturday morning, so I have to clean and stuff. To get to cleaning, and then after that, I have to film a lot today. I'm gonna be helping her with moving stuff and just doing a whole lot of stuff and just trying to be productive. Okay, just trying to be productive. So without further ado, let's get into this. So I'm gonna just do a quick voiceover because they were listening to music, and you know YouTube be on that copyright stuff, but they're breaking down her bed.
You mate, don't be trying to be recording now. Hey. You can see this right? Oh. There's a hole. That's what I'm trying to get out. I
was confused.
I know, man. You just
when I think broke down, said.
No, ain't weird like break. It's just like it's so weird.
Alright, y'all. After trying to find someone that will actually rent this U-Haul for this human being, we finally found one. So now we're finally loading it. Y'all, driving this U-Haul is scary. I've never driven a U-Haul before, but y'all gonna get to see Goma's new apartment. Alright, y'all, so it's nighttime now. Can y'all see me? Let me see. A little bit better. Okay, so Goma's birthday was on the 23rd, and we're celebrating her birthday today, this Saturday. And we're going bowling. So I just got back home. I'm gonna go change because I'm not in bowling attire. Okay, I have a dress on, so I'm gonna go ahead and change, and then once I do that, we're gonna get back in the car and then we're gonna go bowling. So y'all gonna come with me to go bowling with my cousins and my little sister. So yeah, I'm so tired, y'all, but we move regardless. So I changed into this all white fit. I have this like white ties on the back top, now these blue jeans on. So let's go bowl. Hi guys, we're celebrating this ugly's birthday. We got Eddie Yeo.
Yeah.
We got Nico Yeo. Eddie wanted to say what's up. And then this one, Mr. stays in the corner. He on his phone. Like, oh, and then his homie. But y'all say happy birthday to this one.
You're so
the way he can just fling it. Wow! Are you serious? for me. It's just sitting on the ground.
If it looked like, if it had a spat, oh my God.
I'm screaming. Wow. Will he get that spare though? I can't believe I lost that badly. Life is not fair. It's okay, she thrives.
I've been taking one. I've been taking one.
No, do the off guard. Live, do the off guard. Look at the sneakers. Look at the sneakers. And you see, that's the one. Oh shit, model pose. Give it to them. Oh, is that Naj?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm about it. Like,
Wow. Okay. Okay. Yes, give them peace sign. Show them hands. Light skin poses. Light skin poses every day. Wow. Oh shit. Post up. Yes. Okay. Okay. Do not mess with them. They will come for you.
Lord, you so angry.
that's what I'm playing.
So angry.
They play no game.
Your hand was shaking, man. Your hand was shaking.
Making this shot clean through.
Your hand was shaking. Your hand was shaking.
One more shot.
Look, my fin ain't even showing.
My fin ain't even showing. Screaming. Everybody get a pose together. I love how life never looks at the camera. Yes. Okay. Yes. Oh shit. It's a video. I don't know why you posted to me.
Yeah, we'll be honest. Okay.